Castaic, California, this morning. We're at November 23rd, 2024, day 328, week 47. Next week, Thanksgiving. Get ready. As we approach Thanksgiving week, it's time for your Castaic real estate market update. We're going to cover what's been happening over the past 7 days in the residential market, and I'll share some insights for buyers and sellers that are navigating this unique market. Remember, our next market update for Castaic is not going to be until next Saturday, and that, of course, is following Thanksgiving. Let's get started. In the past 7 days, here's what's happening in the Castaic residential real estate market. There has been one property put up as coming soon. We have 5 fresh new listings that have been placed on the market. All access is at SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. We have 9 properties that saw price adjustments. These are in listing prices, folks. It's showing becoming somewhat more negotiable with regard to the listings that they have on the market for sale. One property fell out of escrow, now offering a second chance for those buyers out there that might have missed it the first time around. So make sure, if you're not on an email system that's giving you those fresh listings from a local real estate agent site or through the local board of realtors, not Zillow, not the syndication systems, not these other information systems that are trading and selling your information to a lot of different people. Make sure you're getting this directly from the source data, and that's going to only come from real estate agents that are members of the local board. So just ask. Say, are you really a member of a local board, or are you some kind of lead generation system? We have 3 properties that went into escrow. 1 went pending, which is actually a deeper form of escrow. 5 listings actually sold this last week in Castaic. 1 property expired, 1 was withdrawn. 4 have been put on hold. That typically indicates a lot of market activity, and those people are trying to kind of regroup out of offers come in, which is not the proper use of on hold, but it's typically what we're seeing. For buyers out there, with 5 new listings, 9 price changes, definitely opportunities to find a home that fit your budgets and needs. Sellers making price adjustments might be motivated. This is definitely a time to don't be afraid of making a less than listing priced offer. That's just the way it is. You never know what the seller's going to do. I know some sellers hate that particular news, but again, it's all negotiation. In the real world, of course, wouldn't it be perfect if we could get everything we wanted? Sometimes, with the proper justification, you can actually get something for maybe less than somebody else expects. It could also be that some of the information that the agent is giving the seller is wrong. So you as a buyer can come in with your agent like the shining knight on the horse, and you can offer up comparables and different information that validate the offering strategy that you've put into place via your real estate agent in order to get the property that you want. Interest rates are holding around 7.5%. Of course, that's going to depend on your approval, your FICO score, a lot of other things. But again, historically great as far as recent history, not so good. But again, you should only buy the house to marry, never marry the loan and interest rate, because at the beginning there are opportunities for you to do refinances if those interest rates happen to change. As Thanksgiving approaches, this is to the sellers, serious buyers remain active. Homes listed and often attract motivated buyers looking to close before year end. With 9 price changes this week, it's definitely clear the market's responsive. So price your home competitively from the start to attract interest. A well-staged, move-in ready home can make all the difference in capturing buyers' attention. If you're wondering, my God, what am I going to do with all this excess that I have in my house, which is a very typical seller concern, you're not in that thought process. Use your garage. Unless your garage is outfitted into the world's most amazing man cave, use your garage to store all the stuff. Just leave room in the exterior on the perimeter of the garage so people can move around and look at things. Walls especially, and if you have cabinets in place, look at those as well. If you have boxes all the way up against stuff, it's very hard for people to maneuver in the garage. But if it's not a man cave, it doesn't have all that fancy diamond tuck stainless steel and bright red paint and fixtures and glossy stuff, probably not a big deal. That's where you're going to use the space to put your overflow items. Buyers, if you're touring homes, that envision the space you'll feel during your favorite holiday transitions. If somebody has a house on the market and they don't have cinnamon smells coming out of there, or apple pie or pecan pie, they're doing themselves a disservice. Sellers, Make sure you decorate tastefully for the season, but keep it neutral. Buyers should see your home, not just the holiday. And use this time to plan for your new year, whether you're buying, selling, or just exploring options. The market in early 2025 is likely to be competitive. Now, Castaic Real Estate, what makes that special? It does offer a range of property types, from single-family homes to townhomes, condos, even duplexes or triplexes, located near the Castaic Lake Recreation Area, makes it attractive to families with outdoor enthusiasts alike. With inventory steadily coming to market and price adjustments happening, buyers and sellers can find opportunities that align with their goals. The Castaic real estate market remains active as we head into Thanksgiving week. Whether you're a buyer looking for your next home or a seller wanting to close a deal before year end, this is a great time to stay engaged with the market. For the latest listings, definitely go to Santa Clarita, openhouses.com. That's your one-stop real estate insights and opportunities. Have a great, robust blog. I write content every day, including these market updates. Good information. I'm Connor with Honor. We will talk to you soon. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I'll be back tomorrow with Acton Agua Dulce, the overall Santa Clarita Valley. And then, of course, we'll be following up on Monday, starting with Valencia's market update, then Stevenson Ranch, then Saugus, then Newhall, then Canyon Country, then Castaic, then we have it again. Be well, everybody. I'm over and out.